Hello, everybody. My name is Meena Gula. I'm a certified life coach and body mind coach. And this is the series, I'm doing with my clients for the life coaching. And here I invite one guest. They share their experience working with me, some of the key areas we worked on, and I just hope that this video will help somebody identify their issues, and they see the light at the end of the tunnel and they can get help too. Okay, I would like to welcome Bharti Tupchi. Bharti was my classmate, school classmate's sister, and we did go to the same high school, and we had a lot of fun while growing up. But after high school, I had no idea about where she was, and we connected with each other through Facebook 2 years back. And Bharti, welcome. I would like to ask you how we met together, and what was your journey like, and what made you interest in the work what I do, and why you thought it is something that will help, right, for your situation. Yeah.
Yeah, hello, good morning. Hello, everyone. Hello, Meena. So
Mhm.
I'm Bharti Tupchi. I'm from Dharwad, Karnataka. Both Meenakshi and myself were studied in Basel Mission Girls High School, Dharwad. So from then, after the college days, we departed from college and we never met. Through Facebook, when I was searching for my friends, browsing for my friends, I got Meenakshi Gulla, and I found her. She's a mind coach and she's a life coach. So, which made me more interesting to discuss with her, have more conversation with her. So when we started conversation, when I came to know she is a life coach, so I thought of making her my as my life coach, and I discussed about my problems in what problems I'm going through in my life. So we thought of having this life coach program sessions, and I expressed my feelings to her, like I will join. Can you be my life coach, like that? Then she said yes. Okay. We started our sessions. I think in January 2017, 2 years back, and when the first session, we discussed about, means she is having coaching in various areas, various sectors, that is relationship, finance, health, and entertainment, like there is a life circle. So she sent me life circle so to study, and she told to give marks for each circle. So before the sessions, before the coaching, how I rate rate I give rating to all the sectors, so that it helps me to give ratings after the coaching, and we can see ourselves where we are standing, where
Mm.
we are, how much, yeah, which sessions we had a difficulty, and which sectors we have improved our life, improved ourselves in which sector, like that. So
Mm.
I gave ratings to, in the first session, she explained me about circle, and we rated according to my the mind
Yeah,
at that
so
time.
yeah, it is actually circle of life tool I use, Bharti. With every single client, I start with that, and it really gives the understanding where we are at this point of time in our life, and then it also gives the understanding. Okay, what are the sum of the areas you have strengths in?
Yeah.
What are the sum of the areas you need support in? Right. So we were able to identify some of the areas you need support. Yeah. Can you please give me a little more
Yeah.
description?
In
The
the first
area.
session, she explained about the fear, or whatever our childhood, how we spent our childhood, because whatever we are in childhood, that is carried out, and we face the same problem, or we face the same thing in the adulthood also. So she discussed about me, means actually. she asked me how was my childhood. So if we are having fear about our parents at the childhood, we don't discuss that with other people because of that barrier we have, and we continue the same barrier till our life. So we continue the same thing. So she told to discuss about that. And actually I had because of my parents, means my father was a strict person, so I had that barrier. So as he was very strict, and we could suppress our feelings inside. We never express our whatever feelings we
So,
had, and
actually,
yeah,
what
outside.
happened, Bharti, it was very interesting journey. You identified self-esteem and not able to express at work. And then when we were really looking at, why you are not able to express, and then,
Yeah,
suddenly we made a link, how your childhood has linked to your current issue. Yeah. So yeah, can you
yeah, the
please
same
explain?
thing carried.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's some same thing you carried,
as we
you
were,
learned how
yeah.
to suppress. Yeah.
Mm.
Mhm.
Yeah, even now I attend so many conferences, so many seminars and all. So first thing, like I'm not confident enough to express my ppts and all. Because of that fear, it continued.
Mm,
And even now also, if I see my senior people, if I have to talk to senior people, I don't express it in a free way.
mm,
So the words I eat, I think so. End of
mm,
the
mm,
words I
mm.
eat. So
Yeah.
that I found and I explained to her. So we removed that barrier, and now I'm confident enough to talk to any person, like irrespective of age and all.
Mm,
And I attend conferences, I give my seminars, I present my PPTs in a confident way,
ah,
and even my vivas and all. So that one helped me a lot. And then the next one, we started our journey towards health, for the weight loss journey. As
yeah.
I tested so many programs for weight loss journey, I couldn't it couldn't help me, because some months I could lose my
Yeah.
weight, and but it regained again. So I was
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
much upset for that, and I expressed my the thought to
Yeah.
her.
Mm,
And she explained me. She actually, we started like what we eat that day, we started writing from
mm,
morning till
mm.
night. And
Diary.
then yeah, and she explained to what to include in my diet, how to eat, means how to eat means the quantity or the quality, and the
Mm,
ingredients, and how to
mm,
make that recipe interesting and
mm,
tastyful, like that. And how we can add like for salads and all, to add all the ingredients, like that.
mm,
So
mm,
I started including that diet into my the my food.
mm.
So I could reduce, it's not the quantity of weight, but my mind started like I could see every morning, my like I was very fresh when I wake up in the morning. Now also, like I'm free. Like it is not
Yeah. Yeah. Mm,
yeah. And I'm
yeah.
active also. The main thing is, even if I'm more weight, I'm active now.
Okay.
So
Okay.
which
Yeah.
helped
Mm,
me, like
mm, mm.
which is helping me in my days. Like
Yeah. 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 So it's actually, we did, I mean, because I have a background in life coaching and body mind coaching, we kind of blended for you. And then a lot of people, Bharti, right, they want to have a good diet and exercise. But then when the emotion kicks in, they don't want to really do anything, right? So we kind of cleaned some of the emotional part for you and the diet and exercise. And we also worked on, if you remember, we also worked on the relationship, right, with within the house, and with the other friends and everybody, right? Some of the issues you had. So overall, it was a very holistic approach, and I really, really thank Bharti because she was such a good participant. Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah, you want to say something?
yeah, one more thing I want to add, like
Yeah, sure.
she guided me to join Isha Foundation, and I joined Isha Foundations. I joined Shambhavi Kriya. And from the day I have started Shambhavi Kriya, which is helping me in molding my life and
Mm,
seeing the life in another way, and seeing the perspective of seeing the life has changed. And I'm
mm,
more confident now in life. Whatever it comes, I can face in any other way. Like
yeah.
so before that, before I used to think how to face that, how to see that.
Mm,
But now
mm,
I'm confident enough. Whether it is good or bad, I face a life.
yeah. Mm,
That
mm,
confidence I have gained, and now I'm more cheerful than before, active and confident.
yeah. Yeah.
Thanks to Meena. Mhm.
No, it's not thanks to me, thanks to you, because you were such a good participant. You took all the tools. All I do, right, Bharti, as a life coach, I give you the tools. And it's not
Yeah,
about me teaching something. Maybe as a coach, I give you a little different perspective, if that suits you. But then we always tap in by asking questions. Right now, how do you feel? I think we worked almost 2 years or 3 years back, and we are still
yeah,
in
yeah,
contact. This is one thing in me. I am always in contact with whoever worked with me, and we are like very good friends now. Our friendship is back, by the way, right? So
yeah.
uh, so tell me, is it still relevant, or after the session is done, are you still able to use some of these tools, or are you like, once the session is done, you have most of it is gone, right? For many people that happens. What do you
Yeah,
think?
no, it is not like that. But whenever I face problems, I remember your words, whichever you gave me sessions, and in
Mm,
what situation, what to do, like that. I remember those words and go in that direction. So it makes me feeling free, like to take decisions, whether to take
you
like
are
which is
empowered.
correct and which is not.
You are
Yeah, yeah,
empowered now. Empowered, yeah.
yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
continued.
Oh,
It's
it is
not
continuous.
a
So
1 day or 2 days. Yeah, it is not 1 day or 2 days after the session. You have to forget it like that.
So
It
it's a
is lifelong.
graduation, right? It's a
Yeah, yeah.
graduation, right? It's a graduation.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And even now, whenever I feel difficulty, I message her. I ask her what to do and all. She teaches me. She gives me lessons. Means I mean, we take sessions in that direction. How to remove that barrier in that
Yeah,
situation, and we go through.
yeah, 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 yeah. Also, Bharti, you started your journey with your health issues, basically, right? You had some
Yes,
health issues,
yes.
then you started. So, we did the
Yeah.
self-esteem and the weight loss and relationship. Overall, the journey was very holistic, and it's like a complete circle, right?
Yeah,
As a circle,
circle. Yeah.
make it more and more smooth. The circle, right? It moves very smoothly, right? So
Mm.
yeah, thank you very much for
Yeah.
sharing your
Thank you.
experience with me and to all my audience. And if somebody is going through your journey, my intention is just to reach out to all those people, all the women, feel that sometimes there is no hope, right? Many people, they find it okay,
Yes.
or if there is any hope, right, to come out of this issue. So thank you very much, Bharti, for sharing some of your time with me. Okay. And
Thank you, Meena. Thank you for being my life coach.
okay, so anybody is interested in reaching me, you can actually send email to my email address, or you can contact me through phone, and set up a free session. I can give you up to 30 to 45 minutes free session, and this will give you opportunity to find out where you are in right now, life right now, and then how I can be useful for your journey. And it will also give me some understanding about where you are. So if this sounds something interesting, call me and set up an appointment. And I'm so interested in meeting you all, and help you and be that basically doorway, right, for your journey. Okay. All right, Bhati. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.